The KEDIERS PC case ATX P4 impresses with its pre-installed 4 fans, ensuring efficient cooling for high-performance gaming setups. Its stunning panoramic design with dual tempered glass panels offers a clear view of your internal components, adding an aesthetic touch to any gaming or office environment. The case features an upgraded high-speed I/O panel, including USB Type-C and USB 3.0 ports, enhancing connectivity and data transfer speeds for modern devices. Remarkably versatile, this mid-tower case supports various motherboard sizes and allows for extensive expansion with multiple drive bays and PCIe slots. With the ability to accommodate up to 9 case fans and 2 simultaneous radiators, it provides excellent thermal management for demanding systems. Measuring at 49 centimeters in height, 44.5 centimeters in length, and 22 centimeters in width, the case offers ample space without being overly bulky.